A merchant account is a bank account that allows businesses to accept payments from customers. Merchant accounts are used to accept payments through debit cards, credit cards, UPI, wallet, and net banking. Any merchant who offers their services online needs a merchant account for accepting online payments via different payment channels. A payment gateway is a digital service that allows secure and encrypted transactions between a merchant and their bank. A payment gateway and a merchant account work together to facilitate secure transactions between a customer and a merchant. Here's how they work together. The payment gateway captures, encrypts, and transmits payment details to the issuing bank for verification. The merchant account verifies the payment information and processes the transaction. The payment gateway sends a confirmation back to the business's website or point-of-sale system. The merchant account transfers the funds from the customer's bank to the business's bank.